UG Pay Group. Simple, profitable, reliable, modern. The topic of our presentation is how not to miss out on unique opportunities, riding the wave of a big emerging global trend, staying afloat in times of crisis and finding financial prosperity. You will learn how, with just a few clicks, your normal everyday person with little money can become the co-owner of a group of technology and highly profitable industries and companies, taking part in their formation and development and taking a share of their profits. We're ready to tell you how everyone can get the unique tools to create a passive income in today's challenging global environment. So here's what you will learn today. We will talk to you about today's investment market, a global investment portfolio, and how you can be guaranteed to claim a share of its profits through the ownership of tokenized shares, security tokens from WCRU. We'll also talk about their unique characteristics of generating passive income in several ways. Usual opportunities in the investment market. Anyone who is even slightly familiar with the concept of investing has probably heard of a few of its main areas, such as the stock market, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, MIFs, and ETFs, the real estate market, the foreign exchange market, equity in different businesses, and of course, a relatively new direction, the cryptocurrency market. It's great to have so much choice. However, in order to make sound investment decisions, you need good and trustworthy information about the characteristics of a particular financial tool. So, where shall we start? How to choose the right tool, how to save and multiply, how can you avoid unforeseen risks and ensure the security of your investment, how can I avoid being scammed? These are the kinds of questions that spring to mind. Well, we're here to help, because we have a simple solution for all of your questions that will change the way you think about investing. The concept that changed the world. The speed of innovation in the 21st century is constantly increasing, changing the way things are perceived and affecting almost every aspect of our lives. The impact of the 2008 financial crisis and the global stratification of society, with more than 82% of global wealth concentrated in the hands of just 1% of the world's population, has undermined people's faith in the traditional financial system. This is how the era of blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies came to be. Blockchain, the birth of the crypto economy. Cryptocurrencies and their huge popularity is due to several factors. Let's look at them briefly. Decentralization. There is no single center for managing and storing data. Information does not belong to specific individuals and is repeatedly being duplicated and recorded on the blockchain. Confidentiality. No control of transactions by banks or government agencies. Anonymity of the owner's details, all the while maintaining transparency in all transactions. No inflation. The issue of almost all coins is limited. The process of issuing new coins is transparent and strictly regulated by program codes. You cannot simply turn on a printing press, as many states do, and print unlimited amounts of money to solve the resulting economic problems. Minimal or no fees for sending cryptocurrencies. Reliability. Cryptocurrencies cannot be counterfeited. Encryption algorithms, blockchain, and computing power make it difficult to hack or meddle with data. Despite a number of advantages, cryptocurrencies also have disadvantages. Risk of loss. Coins. You can lose them if you no longer have access to your private key and consequently your crypto wallet. Rate volatility. Cryptocurrency rates depend on many external factors, including demand and user confidence levels. This makes it almost impossible to predict. Crypto technology has already entered the stock market, the real estate market, and many others. But the investor's main question is still unanswered. Is there a surefire way of not losing your finances and protecting your savings by investing in the cryptocurrency market? In short, yes. We have thought long and hard about how to help millions of people around the world solve their financial, investment, business, and education problems, as well as how to help rebuild the global economy and free themselves from social problems, insecurity, and fear. How to make the process of investing in different markets and destinations that were previously only available to a select category of people simple, accessible, and secure for everyone, while continuing to build on the strengths of cryptocurrencies. And we did it. That's how the idea of a global finance and blockchain technology project came to be, from a combination of two ideas and more than 20 years of investment experience. WCRU Global Investment Portfolio. The Global Investment Portfolio is a unique project that gives everyone the opportunity to become a co-owner and save and increase their capital, to earn money and to participate in the profit distribution of its member companies. The Global Investment Portfolio is available to private and corporate investors through the purchase of WCRU investment tokens. One token equals one company share. Let's look at the project's main benefits. Affordability. The minimum investment amount is $10. Transparency. The program runs on CryptoUnit's own blockchain, which makes the project fully open and public. Diversification and minimal risk. Assets are located in 20 investment segments of the market, which rules out major portfolio drawdowns and losses. Opportunity to have multiple sources of income. The project's security token gives its holders the opportunity to generate 4 types of income. Let's take a look at the main investment market sectors in which the companies in the Global Investment Portfolio operate. People and society. This includes the education market, multi-level crowd investing development sector, the health and longevity development sector, the science sector, cultural sector, and the charity sector. Industry. Innovation and transport and development sector, agriculture and farming development sector, innovation development sector, non-missile space exploration sector. The finance sector, stock markets, foreign exchange markets, cryptocurrency markets, the banking sector, insurance sector, real estate sector, precious and semi-precious metals and stones sector. Of course, the business sector. This includes businesses, cooperative and social development sector, business participation sector through co-ownership, mutual funds and shareholdings in emerging and existing businesses. In November of 2020, we invited Crow, an external international organization, to conduct an independent investment appraisal. The commission valued the portfolio at more than $11.5 billion. The Global Investment Portfolio project is implemented through the WCRU security token. The WCRU token retains all the characteristics of traditional stocks, but with the added perks of blockchain. How does it work? WCRU is the company's tokenized shares, i.e. shares converted into a digital security token using blockchain technology. The WCRU security token is backed by the real-world assets of the global portfolio and is linked to its value. The token is sold through the UG Pay Group AG. It is an international company registered in Switzerland, which provides its users with high standards of quality and strict regulatory compliance. The company is registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission, America's main financial market regulator. The very fact of registration proves the seriousness of the company's intentions and long-term development plans. Let's talk about the prospects of the token and the stages of its launch. Within 10 years, 80 billion tokens will be issued. A total of 40 to 72 billion WCRU tokens, worth between 10 billion and 100 billion US dollars, are scheduled to be sold over 4 to 10 years. The remaining liquidity will amount to 8 billion WCRU tokens. This is a reserve of tokens which is at the company's disposal so that it can influence the market conditions and retain a voting stake. The steps for issuing WCRU tokens will take place in several stages. Stage 1. 10 to 30 billion tokens will be issued at a price of 0.001 cent to 3 cents over 12 to 36 months. Stage 2. 10 to 25 billion tokens will be issued, priced between 1 and 100 US dollars over 12 to 24 months. Stage 3, 1 to 10 billion tokens at 100 to 1,000 US dollars over 12 to 24 months. And finally, Stage 4, 1 to 10 billion tokens will be issued, priced between 1,000 and 2,000 US dollars over a period of 12 to 36 months. We are sure that you already appreciate the unique opportunities and prospects of our project. But that's not all. Next, we will talk about the tokenomics of the project and what kinds of income you will be able to claim. The company has developed its own blockchain, crypto unit, to tokenize its assets and subsequently enter the crypto exchanges. Let's break down the technical characteristics of the crypto unit blockchain. It runs on the EOS engine, and it uses a consensus algorithm called DPoS, Delegated Proof of Stake. The block creation time is only half a second. The block size allows for up to 10,000 transactions. Transactions are completely free of charge and there are no transfer fees. Why did we take the route of building our own blockchain rather than using a ready-made solution? We have analyzed all the existing solutions on the market, but their main disadvantage is slow transactions. Therefore, we chose the most suitable engine for our demanding requirements and created our own crypto unit blockchain based on it. The main advantages of your own blockchain: high transaction speeds and no fees, greater transparency and security, the ability to place tokens from other companies, additional sources of income, exponential community growth, high efficiency for internal promotion of the token. The company offers an optimal set of tokens to allow the project to function. eShare, World CRU token. The technical blockchain token is UNTB, and the dollar equivalent is USDU token. A technical UNTB token that gives access to the blockchain network resources such as RAM memory, CPU processing power, or net speed. A maximum of 8,123,456,789 UNTB tokens will be created within 10 years. The initial price of a token will be 1 cent. Each user must have a minimum of 10 UNTB tokens in their cryptocurrency wallet to be able to make transactions. The main use of the USDU token is its equivalent to the US dollar, the so-called stablecoin. Each token is backed by a US dollar deposited with the depository bank or a USDC coin deposited with the depository company. And now, we'll move on to the main point and talk about a unique opportunity for World CRU token holders. The ability to create passive income in several ways at once. The first is staking, placing and storing World CRU tokens on a cryptocurrency wallet to support all transactions on the blockchain. The owner of the coins, the delegate, is rewarded with UNTB tokens. The second type of income, the Profi bonus, accrues monthly to World CRU owners in proportion to the number of tokens from the profits that the company earns from any of its businesses in any investment sector. The bonus is payable in the stable coin, USDU. The amount of the accrual is determined according to a vote. The third, an additional source of income for loyalty token holding partners, is a bonus under the loyalty program. The bonus is 5% of all sales. Accruals are made monthly in USDU tokens. This type of income will only be available until October 2021. And finally, the fourth, rising token value. The estimated value of the portfolio is growing rapidly, giving rise to an increase in the price of each digital World CRU share. UG Pay Group's mission is to develop technology-driven, high-value industries and companies in line with the new economic evolution of the world. We are leading humanity down the path of conscious choice in favor of energy-efficient and environmentally friendly technologies and industries that are designed to be the beginning of the new economy and to bring peace, health, prosperity and wealth to planet Earth. We are developing various economic sectors in different parts of the world, thereby improving the economic situation in these regions and increasing people's well-being. By introducing blockchain technology, we are creating a new, green, secure and highly profitable economic environment where companies' products and their active consumers are located within a single ecosystem. Open up to new opportunities. Become a co-owner of the global investment portfolio and create your new secured reality.